make it dip. I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. I'm just cocksucking, eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some faux locks, if that's what they're called. I got me some Bobbi Boss Bae Locs. I picked up 5 packets of these. These are what they look like. I picked up 5 packets. I placed my hair in rubber bands. I parted it out in little sections. They're not like even sections, so I just parted it out in like some random box or whatever. They're different sizes, but they're kind of the same size for the most part. So I just started out by parting out the hair, putting them in rubber bands and plaiting the hair out. Go off camera and do the back, and when I get the back completed and I'm at the top, I'll show you guys how to do it, because literally you just repeat the same thing on each individual lock straight throughout the hair, so it doesn't make sense for me to be doing each single one. It will take forever to show you guys, so I'm going to do most of my hair and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, and yeah, I'll be back in a while. I'm gonna watch some movies or something and do my hair. Yes. So hair braided in sections, parted out in little squares, rubber bands, plaits, check. The locks that you desired, check, and crochet needle ends were ready. Guys, I start by inserting the crochet needle. I push it like downwards instead of upwards, and I get the lock that I want to attach. And I didn't speed this section up, I did it in real time so you could see how I did it. And at this point, guys, I was hella tired. It was like 3 maybe, because I started doing my hair at like 1:30, but I was watching Netflix. Anyways, you're gonna pull the lock through, and then you're gonna open the root of the lock, and you're gonna hold your hair and the crochet lock, and you're gonna pull it through the loop. And once it's through, you're gonna pull your hair and the crochet hair apart just to tighten it, and you pull it until you feel it's as snug as you want. Then guys, you're just gonna go in and take the crochet needle. Okay, we're still tightening. Yes, then you're gonna go in and take the crochet needle. You're gonna insert it in the lock, maybe like halfway down to the length of your regular hair, and you're gonna insert it and push it all the way up to the top. Open the crochet needle and attach your hair and pull your hair through the lock, and you're gonna pull it out to where your hair ends, and then you're just gonna insert the needle once more and pull your hair through until it's covered by the lock. And you can just take your hands and roll the lock together or tighten it just to cover your hair more. And guys, you could easily just, if your hair is short as mine, you could easily just insert it once and pull the hair through, but I preferred doing it in 2 sections. I pulled half of my hair and then I inserted the needle again and pulled the other half. So that's basically it. It's like that simple. That's why I didn't want to do the whole tutorial showing you just to do that, because that's exactly what you do throughout the whole entire head. And then I'm gonna go in and do another one so you can see how I did it. And I'm installing one of the decorative pieces. And with these, you have to be really careful, because I noticed that if you pull too hard, the thread, it unravels. So you're doing the same thing. You're pulling the crochet through the root of your hair, and then you're going to open the root of the lock, and then you're gonna pull through the lock as well as your hair together. You're gonna pull it through the loop, and then you're going to knot it, and to knot it you pull your hair and the lock in different directions, and that will tighten the root of the lock. And then you're gonna go in again with the crochet needle, and you're gonna go all the way up through the center of the lock, and you're gonna pull your natural hair down the middle of the lock, and this is how you'll mask your hair. Then you're just gonna pull it out, and oh, I did that one with just one pull, or did I? Oh dang, I was fumbling right here. I was tired, guys. I was so tired. I was watching movies and all of that, and I kind of got sidetracked. I was watching more Netflix than do my hair, but yeah. Okay, finally she got it, and yeah, pull it through, and then you're just gonna go through once more and pull the remaining part through. I really could have sped this section up, but I wanted you to see exactly what I was doing, so I didn't. And that's basically it. Each pack carries 12 locks. I think it has 2 decorative pieces and 10 regular locks. I would say I used like 46 pieces. Yes, because I used only 4 packs, so I used like 46 pieces, and I had like 2 extra pieces remaining, and I didn't use like all the decorative pieces. What I did, I took the thread off and I just used them as regular locks, so I just had a few of the pieces around my head. I had maybe like 4 or 5, or maybe 5, I think, of the decorative pieces just to spice it up. And that's basically it. Yo, I was hella tired. I can feel the tiredness through the screen right now, but that's basically it. That's all you do, and voila, you have your locks. And guys, this is the finished product. I didn't like how some were longer in the front than the back, so what I did was I went in and I cut it with my scissors, and it gave me a better look, as you'll see in the clip following this. But I didn't like how long some were, so I cut it more even into sort of a bob. And yes, that's how you look after you got some rest and you did your makeup. Like, yes, come on now, honey, let's serve these locks. And guys, I really enjoyed this hair. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know below if you're gonna try this style, because it's a really cute style, and I'll definitely be doing some crochet faux locks again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.